right. Welcome, guys. Welcome, boys. The KDM boys are back to discuss what has happened between South Africa and Afghanistan. Who was the one supporting Afghanistan here? Me and Namit, Baba Namit. And just like Baba Namit's last match's fantasy performance, his prediction about this match is also wrong.
बाबा का टैग लेना पड़ेगा इस वजह से।
नहीं अच्छा है ना, बाबा तो ढोंगी होते हैं।
अब तू गया बेटा। अब तू गया, देख तेरी औकात मैं दिखाता हूँ तुझे। देख।
So coming back to the match, South Africa scored a really big total, which Afghanistan was nowhere near to. What do you want to say about Mumbai Indians boy Ryan Rickelton scoring his first century?
भाई ये आईपीएल नहीं है, चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी है। आईपीएल के टाइम पे बात
But
करना
I
है।
think काफी अच्छा स्टेज है to prove himself for the IPL.
Yeah,
I agree.
for Krish, IPL is the biggest thing than चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी।
I mean, see, at the end of the day, IPL का purpose तो वही है ना,
हाँ
कि it has to be bigger than World Cup, it has to be bigger than everything else, which is what football model में है कि हाँ लोग मानते हैं EPL, La Liga, these are very big this thing. तो IPL क्यों नहीं? हमारे पास पैसा है, हमारे पास जगह है, हमारे पास इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है, हमारे पास प्लेयर्स है और हमारे पास 140 करोड़ फुकट लोग हैं जो ये वीडियो भी देखेंगे और आईपीएल भी देखेंगे. So yeah, I mean that is putting good use to every important thing in the world.
क्रिकेट इज पैशन।
Cricket is passion. Cricket is religion. That is what we say. Coming back
एवरीवन
to-
सबका ड्रीम तो रहेगा ही ना कभी क्रिकेटर बनना।
मेरा तो आज भी है. I mean, if India is looking for an off spinner who doesn't spin, please call me.
स्ट्रेट बॉलर।
Straight bowler. I mean, थोड़ा सा एंगल आ जाता है, but yeah. Check out my stats on Crick Heroes app. Crick Heroes, you can sponsor me also.
यूजर सब्सक्रिप्शन लिया है ना.
हाँ?
प्रो
प्रो सब्सक्रिप्शन लिया मैंने, 300 रुपया तुमको दिया, तुम मुझे 3000 वापस दो. So yeah, I mean, great century by Ryan Rickelton. What do you want to say about the other players?
माकरम ने भी अच्छा खेला।
मार्कम ने अच्छा खेला. पिछले वीडियो के बाद हमें इंटरनल डिस्कशंस में पता चला था कि हमने नमित बाबा को बहुत काटा था. If you also think the same thing, please go watch the video and tell us that did we really keep on cutting him in between? I don't think so we did, but
ने
he's
उसको
very
नहीं
sensible
बोलने
about
दिया?
it. तो हाँ बोलो सर.
आप बोलो भाई, बोलो। नहीं आपकी विशेष टिप्पणी।
રડતી રાધા ચલને હવે ભાઈ બોલ ને.
અરે પણ
રડતી
નથી
રાધા.
બોલવું કાંઈ. બોલો ને તમને બોલવું હોય તો નથી બોલવું, પરાણે આગળ નાખે છે. ભાઈ બોલ ભાઈ, તું બોલ, તને મારા ક્રમનું બોલું, મર્ડરનું બોલું.
Which is what the whole South Africa team did. One centurion, 3 half centurions, which is taking them up beyond 300. Exactly what you want. Perfect recipe for a one-day match, first inning score, set a big target. A team like Afghanistan, who is still very new to the cricket world, one-day cricket is not something that they are really great at. T20, I would say they are at par with most teams, but not on one-day cricket. Manchar maar diya. Yeah, for a team like Afghanistan, this was a big score.
उन लोग ने स्कोर देख के उन लोग की फट गई रहेगी कि भाई ये पहुंचते पहुंचते ही जन्म लग जाएगा हमारा।
Very much possible.
और साउथ अफ्रीका की bowling भी tough है to bat.
Yeah, I mean, 4 fast bowlers there. And 4 world-class fast bowlers. Kagiso Rabada, Jansen, Ngidi, and
Spinner also Maharaj.
moving on to Afghanistan's batting, I mean, I think people got decent starts. Everybody, 6-7 players ended up being in a double score, but beyond 20 कोई मार नहीं पाया.
But that is because of the greatness of South Africa's bowling.
Greatness of South Africa.
हाँ तो रबाडा यार top class bowler.
Top class bowler.
साउथ अफ्रीका
Constantly 140 डालता है वो.
Constantly 140 तो नहीं डालता होगा, but upwards of 130, 135. And yeah, I
तो
mean,
भी
Rabada is good with
in a
that.
new ball Rabada is very dangerous, like in swinger उसके तो
I really like his name though, Kagiso. किसी के नाम में गी कभी बीच में नहीं सुना. So yeah, Rahmat Shah scored 90. What do you want to say about that, Namit?
The interesting thing about Rehmat was the strike rate at which he scored. So Rehmat is usually a person who will score with a 75 to 80 strike rate, but he scored with a 97.83 strike rate, which is a good to see and a good sign for Afghanistan, that is attacking in the middle overs and taking the players along with him to score. But unfortunately, none of them supported him well enough. As we had expected, they have made a change to a batting order from quite past 3 or 4 matches. Rahmat Shah would bat at number 3 and Shahidi at 4, but they have brought in as a new player at the number 3, which is yet to justifies position at the top.
Which is okay. I think they are trying.
Yes,
Let
Sadiq Atal.
let Sadiqullah Atal
So
try.
they have what I feel they are by adding another player in the top. They have bifurcated the 50 overs between the top seven so that they can play till the end. And after a point, Nabi Gulbadin and Rashid come and give a finishing touch through which they can cross a 300 mark when they are batting.
Yeah, considering Gulbadin and Nabi are the strong hitters that they have, and Rashid is very good with his flicks.
So once their top five players bat till 40 overs, so the three batsmen who are yet to come, they have only one thing to do, that is to go and smash.
So what you want to say is that Afghanistan is cooking. We don't know the recipe is going to work or not, but we'll have to wait out the tournament and see if they end up cooking something really good for themselves.
Afghanistan had a great chance in this match, but they just somehow ended up giving too much runs. I guess 240, 250 on that pitch would have been easy for them to chase by knowing that the pitch would get slower in the second innings and depending upon their batting style too.
यार टीम में क्लासन नहीं था, तो अगर क्लासन होता तो ये 315 नहीं 350 होते.
बट ये स्कोर भी काफी जायंट है
मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ.
पिच पे.
मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ कि 315 नहीं 350 होता है if there was क्लासन. Because see, if I saw the match when Markram was playing, Markram ended up scoring a lot of boundaries in the end, right? And that is what lifted the score around 47, 48. If you go look at the scorecard, around so they lost what? Rasib and Dusan they lost at 43rd over. Then they were 248, which means in the next 7 overs they scored almost 67 runs, which is 10 runs an over. That happened because Markram in between in the last 4 overs ended up scoring a lot of boundaries. Now you can't expect Markram to hit sixes. You change that with a Klassen in the team. This becomes 7 overs 110 because he can just go and score a 70 runs in 25 balls. He can do that for you. He doesn't need 7 overs. He needs only 4 overs to score 70 runs. So Afghanistan in a way was okay to manage
अफगानिस्तान
this.
को रहमत मिली.
हाँ,
इसमें भी.
रहमत मिल गई.
But if you see the spinners on which the whole Afghanistan bowling lineup is dependent, Nabi, Rashid Khan and Noor Ahmed. Nabi ended up giving 51 runs in the first 10 overs and Rashid Khan giving 59 runs with picking with 0 wickets. Noor Ahmed giving 65 runs in his 9 overs. So all the three spinners whom they are dependent on stopping the runs in the middle overs. So that's the point where Afghanistan lagged. So by stopping the runs in middle, they would have easily restricted them to a 270, 280 if all the three had played their game A plus game to the table.
So who's the coach of Afghanistan? It was
Jonathan Trott.
Jonathan Trott in between. So lessons for you, Trotty. Pawan Amit is basically having a recommendation. So
Currently,
please-
he's the coach.
Currently he's the coach. So yeah, please understand what he's trying to say and implement it if you want Afghanistan to reach the semi-finals.
Contact is in description.
Coming to the fantasy teams. So at number 3 we have Krish scoring a mammoth 799 points. His captain Shahidi failing big time, and so did his vice captain Rashid Khan getting just 82.5 points despite being the vice captain. He had Markram, Dusan, and Rabada and Rickelton, and that is why he reached 800. Otherwise, the really was that.
Congratulations to you.
Thank you,
Your
bye.
captain.
So before I talk about my team, I will say special mention to number 2 Baba Namit's team, Cherry Rangers. They have scored 911 points. Sorry, USA 911. His captain playing decently well, Johnson, and Omar Zai is getting 120. Omar Zai was my vice captain as well, but my captain was the difference, which is Markram, 216 points. I was so happy every time वो चौका मारा अपने को भाई बहुत points आ रहे हैं. अपन जा रहे हैं इन दोनों चूजों से दूर. Because finally he was coming up, man. I mean पहली दो मैच में बहुत बुरे से पीछे था.
आपके दो में डिफरेंस भी बहुत कम है ना.
नहीं यार, मैं 1050 पॉइंट पे हूँ, 911 पॉइंट पे है, तो एक
Almost
139.
yeah 139. My maths is correct, and he's 112 points ahead of him, who was on 799. So we'll just update this is where our standing is now, and let us see how the tournament
The
progresses.
point I mentioned in the last video that Rashid Khan won't be effective in this match was correct.
So
ओके गाइस, बट बाबा नमित ने एक पॉइंट डिस्कस किया था रशीद खान का, जो बहुत करेक्ट था ये मैच में. उसने बोला था कि इफेक्टिव नहीं रहेगा वो, और That's the truth.
और वही हुआ. But also he mentioned that maybe they'll score him only for 30-35 runs, but he ended up getting bashed for runs
59.
also.
Yes.
59 is not okay by Rashid Khan standards.
What a guess.
What a guess, man. भले खुद की टीम तो हक दी बट what a guess, yeah. What a guess.
Still.
Okay, so moving on to the next match, England versus Australia, clash of the Ashes giants. What do we want to say about that?
Great of great matches. Greatest of great matches.
I think Travis Head वाट लगाएगा इंग्लैंड की.
Travis Head वाट लगाएगा इंग्लैंड की. Travis Head ने इंडिया की बहुत वाट लगा ली है. How should I please English पे?
Blue jerseys.
Blue jerseys. Oh, blue jerseys could be the motivation. Then Mumbai Indians की भी मार रहा था, इंडिया की भी मारी, अब इंग्लैंड की मार ले. That is a very much a possibility. But what do we make of the team? Australia has a very big challenge when it comes to their bowling department. None of the
Okay,
premier
yes.
bowlers are there. The
Yes.
most senior most bowler is what? Adam Zampa.
Adam Zampa.
Adam Zampa is the most senior bowler. So if you have Adam Zampa as the most senior bowler, then you definitely have.
But
things
they have
to
very
worry
strong
about.
batting lineup. I feel.
Strong batting lineup, and I think Steve Smith becoming the captain again.
Yes.
Another big news for them, which is I think in a way good. He was a good captain. Whatever happened and whatever he did, and David Warner did, and who was the other player? Cameron Bancroft. Bancroft did, yeah. But Steve Smith का थोड़ा खराब टाइम बहुत लंबा चला था. But I hope he makes a good comeback now.
Like Hardik
जैसे एक
Pandya.
छक्के ने वर्ल्ड कप नहीं जीता था वैसे एक सीन ने पूरे
किस
कैप्टन
कौन है छक्का ये?
महेंद्र सिंह धोनी.
एक छक्के ने वर्ल्ड कप नहीं जिताया वैसे
अरे 2011 में एक 6 मार के हम लोग वर्ल्ड कप नहीं जीते थे. गौतम गंभीर का सेंचुरी भी इम्पोर्टेंट था.
एक छक्के ने वर्ल्ड कप नहीं जिताया था पूरे 11 बंदों ने मिलके जिताया.
Oh, okay. That is the reference to this conversation. Wow. Team, yeah. Steve Smith becoming the captain and the batting lineup being very strong. What do we talk about? What do we know about England team? They recently had a very, very, very poor tournament with India, and the pitches are going to be very much similar. So, what do we say? What does that say about their team?
Who have very good batting power, and depending upon the pitches that Pakistan will provide, it will be the first match in Lahore, the Gaddafi Stadium, and usually most of the matches conducted there are of a high scoring, so we can expect a good 300 plus total in both of the innings, as the pitch won't change in the second half as well, and the batting that depth both the team has, and the bowling department both the team lacks, as they don't have any senior.
Yeah, I
Really,
mean,
England bowling attack is
But I
weak.
would not trust England's bowling attack because
Why?
they've not been able to close matches, right? What happened with us? They were unable to stop us in. They just won one match in the whole one day and T20 series. They were unable to win a single match. You play five. They played 5 T20s and you can't even win 2. And you can't keep on trusting your batting, right? Your bowling has to be the one who can control it. Archer has not been in good form. He's bowling at the same pace and all. But he's not been in great form that you can
Their
trust him
bowling
blindly.
attack have performed in parts, but not together as a whole unit.
Yeah, which is the right point. And when you compare the players that they have brought in, except for I think Butler, Joe Root, I don't trust anybody else for batting also.
Why? Phil Salt is a good batsman.
He's a good
Even
batsman,
Ben
but I don't.
But it Van Duckett and Filter both are चला तो चांद तक वरना
Yeah,
because
बस
they,
चल रहा था, बराबर है.
both of them have similar kind of batting style.
But
and
Van
if-
Duckett had made a very big statement. Like he told like India versus England series is not so important for us than a world
championship.
when
हाँ,
championship.
बराबर ही है ना, उसमें गलत क्या
तो
है?
वो ठीक है, but वो
मतलब वो बोल रहा है कि
तभी
ये
बोलना
team-
चाहिए ना
हाँ,
कि जब हमने 2-4 बार जीत ली हो,
हम्म।
कितनी बार इंग्लैंड जीती है चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी? I don't think so एक भी बार.
They only one ICC trophy, that's the 2019 World Cup.
वो भी
मतलब-
अभी क्या ही बोलने का.
न्यूजीलैंड
love for New Zealand.
दहेज में मिला था.
मतलब उसने
That is-
ऐसा कमेंट पास किया कि ये तो हमारा मतलब अप टू मार्क परफॉर्मेंस नहीं है, हम लोग चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी में हमारा बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस दिखाएंगे.
आई थिंक इंग्लैंड टीम में एंटर होने के लिए ना पहले तो थोड़ा रोना आना चाहिए और दूसरा आना चाहिए कि भले मैं कितना भी घटिया हूँ, मैं ऐसा नाक चढ़ा के ऊपर की बातें करूंगा कि ये सब तो क्या मोह माया है, जो हम करते वही सब सही है. I also hear that there is a conversation with them having a problem with India playing at one ground. तो तुमने ही बंटवारा किया था ना. नहीं करते आज तो हम इंडिया में ही खेलते होते.
तो दोनों टीम साथ ही होती.
हाँ, बस में तुझे जाना होता लाहौर से दिल्ली, बस का डिस्टेंस है.
तो हमारी 3 टीम खेलती थी.
हाँ.
इंडिया ए बी सी.
हाँ, तुम हराओ, हमारे तो बी टीम तो क्राउड में बैठती है भाई, तुम आ जाओ उनको हराओ. So I think it is going to be a batsman's game.
फर्स्ट मैच जहाँ पे 300 देखने मिलेगा.
300 तो हो गया ना लास्ट मैच में.
हाँ,
South
South
Africa-
साउथ
Africa
अफ्रीका ने तो मारा 315.
315.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
ज्यादा
400 की बात
400.
कर रहे हैं.
हाँ,
400 क्यों, अपने को क्या मालूम 400 क्यों होगा.
इंग्लैंड की बॉलिंग इतनी भी वीक
इतनी
नहीं है.
वीक नहीं है यार कि
400
400
रन दे दे.
पर लेकिन ऑस्ट्रेलिया की दे सकती है. ऑस्ट्रेलिया हैज एवरी न्यू बॉलर,
Australia-
no fast bowler whom they can trust blindly, who will like bowl in line and length. जो मतलब Hazelwood, Cummins and Stark,
Prime bowlers of Australia.
you don't have any of them. Who's gonna lead the bowling attack? Who are their leading bowlers right now when you talk about the fast bowlers?
Spencer Johnson, Nathan Ellis, Ben Warshes.
Ben Warshes is decent. Spencer Johnson I don't really trust. He's not had that much of experience. Nathan Ellis has been around since last 2-3 years.
Nathan
Like,
Ellis recently won the BPL as the captain.
So I mean, yeah, then that adds value to his credentials, but it's a different environment. Nathan Ellis hasn't performed well when he's played in the IPL. Same goes for Spencer. Spencer hasn't performed well when he's played in the IPL. So that is a.
Also, both of them has not performed currently well for the past few games for Australia itself.
I mean, that is why they are the second choice
Second
bowlers,
choice
right? They're
bowlers.
first. None of the first choice bowlers are available. So क्या ही कर लेंगे? And England has had too many changes in their bowling lineup. I think Wood and Archer being the consistent ones who are present. But I don't know. Where is Sam Curran? Is Sam Curran going to play?
No, Sam Curran is not in the squad. He's
Sam
been
Curran
picked
not
up
even
for
a
the
squad
Champions.
only. Wasn't he the supposedly the vice captain or captain in between? वो T20 का captain था ना in between तो. Then now Harry Brook is the captain.
No.
ठीक है, so like let us hope for a great match. It is England and Australia. They have their own rivalry, and it is always a great match to watch.
और
Prediction
मैक्सवेल
time.
को देखना भी मतलब बहुत
Maxwell
बड़ी-
making a comeback. Maxwell is here in this
Yes.
Champions Trophy. That is great. Maxwell was one of the heroes of 2023 World Cup.
और उसको वैसे भी
अफगानिस्तान के सामने.
Afghanistan.
उसको वैसे भी एशियन पिचेस में तो मजा ही आता है कि-
लंगड़ा त्यागी, फूल घोड़े उड़ाता है, अपना मन मर्जी करता है. Last question in whom are we expecting to win? Prediction times.
इंग्लैंड
England? Unanimously England? Wow.
Australia.
Australia? I think Australia as well. I think underdogs अगर ऑस्ट्रेलिया को टैग देते हैं ना, especially when looking at their bowling department, तो I don't know उनके अंदर क्या आ जाता है, बट माता जी तो जाग जाती है, जो मैक्सवेल ने भी लास्ट ईयर दिखा दिया.
उन लोग ऐसा वर्ल्ड कप चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी कुछ भी हो उन लोग
हाँ,
पागल
यार.
हो जाते हैं. मतलब क्या है
Very sad.
समझता नहीं है.
बहुत
मतलब दे आर डिफरेंट.
डेंजरस बैट्समैन लग रहा है मुझे खेलेगा, बट स्टिल आई विल बी cheering फॉर इंग्लैंड.
कोई भी प्लेयर उठ के वो लोग का एक विनिंग नॉक दे देता है, जैसे वो टीम इजीली जीत जाती
2 for England, 2 for Australia. Who are our fantasy picks? Keith.
ओके सो फॉर दिस टीम माय कैप्टन इज बटलर. मुझे लग रहा है वो एक अच्छा इनिंग खेलेगा ही क्योंकि आई डोंट ट्रस्ट देयर ओपनर्स. एंड माय वाइस कैप्टन इज स्टीव स्मिथ बिकॉज आई थिंक वो भी एक डिसेंट इनिंग खेलेगा ओडीआई में. लाइक टेस्ट फॉर्मेट में कैसा खेलता है, एक जगह पकड़ के खड़ा रहता है, वैसे काइंड ऑफ खेलता है. एंड फॉर माय ये टीम में मेरे लिए जोफ्रा आर्चर एज अ आई थिंक ही हैज़ अ बिग डे टुमारो. सो मे बी वो 3-4 विकेट ले सकता है. होपफुली लेट्स सी.
Hopefully. What about you, Namit?
So I will make Jimmy Smith my captain.
Jamie Smith,
Jamie
your
Smith.
captain.
So I'm taking a bluff on this one as England have added him as their number 3, and I think he's a good young talented, and he will kind of score on this easy Pakistan pitches. So I will make Steve Smith my vice captain.
ये तो मतलब वो आईपीएल में होता था ना कि कोई भी प्लेयर को ऐड करो उसको ले लो अपने फैंटेसी टीम में. वो खेलेगा ही खेलेगा.
Ah,
And I am backing Josh Inglis and Matthew Short for this game.
Matthew Short is back in the team. What about you, Krish?
माय कैप्टन वुड बी ट्रेविस हेड, क्योंकि ऑफ कोर्स 19 नवंबर भी, और जो और अभी जो इंडिया के सामने जो टेस्ट सीरीज थी उसमें भी ही प्लेड वेरी वेल.
So he's in good form.
Yeah. Yes. So he would be my captain. My vice captain would be Josh Butler because मुझे लग रहा है उसके बैट से रन आएंगे. I would also take Ben Duckett क्योंकि इंग्लिश ओपनर है. मुझे लग रहा है ओपनर में से कोई एक खेलेगा. Phil Salt उतना कन्विक्शन नहीं आ रहा है उससे. I will take Ben Duckett as a
कौन है पसंद?
हाँ बहुत है पसंद है मुझे. Yes, that's it.
Okay, so predictions are in. Two of us saying England will win, two of us saying Australia will win. Let us see and come back to the next video. All right, bye.
Bye bye.